That is it, guys. I took a break and now I'm back. Welcome to my new studio. What is good, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep and this is where I do a lot of DJing and tech related tutorials, tips and tricks to help you become a better DJ and to help you get better at using technology. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I took a break because a lot was going on. You already know this if you've been following my YouTube channel, but the good news is it's all over now. I've settled, I've moved to a new place, I've settled my parents, and we can all continue to live our normal lives. Please tell me, how have you guys been? First of all, I would like to say sorry for not being able to reply to all of the comments that you guys have been posting down in the comment section. I was not able to do that for obvious reasons, but guess what? All that is over. I'm gonna reply to all of the comments from now on. Please tell me how you are, and if you have any more questions, please put them down in the comments below and I will reply to all of them all over again. And if I've missed replying to any comments in the past, I'm going back and replying to all of them. So your questions will definitely be answered. And by the way, I'm thankful to all you wonderful people who have been asking me, messaging me how I am and how things are. Thanks a lot for all of the DMs. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, guys, you must follow me on Instagram because there's a lot of behind the scenes footage that I upload over there. You guys will love it. Follow me on Instagram as well. Today's video is just to let you guys know that I'm resuming my YouTube channel and that I have a lot of videos to share with you guys. I have a whole list of topics that I've noted down and I'm really excited to make all these videos and share all of the knowledge with you all. Also, I've been getting a lot of DJing related questions down in the comment section below. I've been noting all of them down. So very soon on this channel, we're gonna have a Q&A session where I will be answering all of your questions and mostly answering all of the commonly asked questions. There are a few more things that I want to share with you guys, a few more announcements that will be coming in the next videos to come, some new collaborations and an opportunity for you guys, for people who are interested in the art of DJing and enthusiasts, people who are willing to learn and understand how DJing is and how DJing works. You guys will have an opportunity to learn from me one-on-one. So stay tuned, and if you guys haven't subscribed already, this is a good time to ask you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you guys do not miss that update. So that is it, guys. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this new look that you guys are looking at? Also, how's the audio? Please let me know down in the comments below because this is also a test video to check if the audio is good, if the video is something that you guys like. And if you have any suggestions that you want me to do, I will definitely take that into consideration. So please comment in the comment section below and let me know all of that as well. All right, I'm really excited to get back to this YouTube channel. I am really excited to share all of the new videos that I have in mind. Thank you so much for all of the love that you guys have been sharing with me, and I hope that you guys will continue watching my videos and that you will continue to share your love with me and with this YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for watching. My name is Deep and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.